Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get Sentinel freighter. Head to busy Sentinel systems and scan for derelict freighter events, engage escort ships, and trigger the salvage timer so you can board and claim the vessel. Bring strong weapons, extra launch fuel, and quick thrusters. Save before boarding, practice docking, and stay patient. Repeated attempts increase your odds and help you learn the best timing for a safe claim. Locate freighter events by scanning multiple systems and targeting high Sentinel activity zones. Derelict freighter signals often appear near conflict hotspots. Land at distress locations, clear escort ships, and observe the salvage timer closely so you can jump in when the opportunity opens. Keep alternate save files and practice boarding approaches to improve success. Rotating systems and persistent searching will boost your chances of finding a claimable Sentinel freighter. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It responds to voice control and keeps your space tidy while you hunt freighters. It's a funny win for gamers who hate crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When the salvage window opens, move fast and focus on the bridge or reactor to seize control. Delay invites reinforcements and chaos. Use powerful short-range weapons and precise thruster burns to enter and hold key rooms. If the fight turns against you, fall back, repair, and return with upgrades rather than lose your ship permanently. Patience, smart positioning, and repeated practice will turn risky salvage runs into reliable freighter captures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.